Okay guys, so if you've stuck with it so far all the way through, you'll understand how to record a video using Windows Camera. You'll know about GIMP and how to use that. You'll know how to do extracts from other videos. You'll know how to get new music from YouTube to put on your track. You'll also know how to put all these together as a final video using DaVinci Resolve. So what I'm going to do with this is start off by signing in, opening an account on YouTube, so you can actually set up your channel where you can publish your videos. So if I just go into my browser on Google Chrome, I'm going to sign in. I'm now going to set up a channel, so create a channel. So what you're doing here is putting together your identity on Google. So for what it's worth, we are Harry Green. I can also set up a custom name wherever I want. So I can create a channel using a brand or other name and picture. So why don't we just say select and go on. We'll make it how to be great. It doesn't really matter. I understand that I'm creating new. Go ahead. So I can upload a profile picture, but let's leave this as it is. I can publicize and all that type of stuff. I can tie in other sites. So I could tie in a Facebook account, a Twitter account, or anything else. I can use this to publicize later. I can customize the channel here if I want to. So click the customize channel. I can do things like put a picture on, put add channel art. All you do with that is click that, put that in. That took about nearly 2 minutes, so I've just cut out some of that for the purpose of this video. There you go, so you can do all manner of things. So this is how it would show on a desktop PC, on the TV. So this is the header page that I put into me watching Leeds. Okay, select, okay. So that's in there, and there you go. So this is me just varying the channel I'm in. So I'm now going to go into my channel. So I'm going to go ahead now and upload. Now we've got quite a short video here, about 30 seconds I think it is. So all I do to upload is simply select a file. So video test project, the thing that we set up earlier on. So in the last lesson we produced this video. So now looking at this part, going through, what it's already doing is uploading this. This is a very short video, so it won't take long. For some of the longer videos or ones that you've recorded in HD or produced in HD, it's going to take considerably longer. So sometimes this can take quite a long time. This one, no great shakes, it should be okay. So let's not worry about this at this stage. But what you see already going on here is creating the video link, the thing that you can use to publicize the video. You need to put in a title, a descriptive title, rather than just what we'd use, which is the name of the video. So let's put in something useful, like how to be great. Describe it, making me look good. But you've seen the YouTube channel, you know what would look good in there. You need to think about what you're putting here. Now you've also got, when you've got a verified account, and that takes a bit, not long, but it takes a little bit to do. When you've got a verified account, you can put in your own splash screen, your own thumbnail that'll show up when you look at those videos in YouTube. Now it does prompt for ones from the video, so let's not worry about that. You've also got what are called playlists. So within your channel, there's a number of categories. You set these up to suit yourself. I've got a number in my main account, and I'll show you those a bit later, but I'm going to create a playlist in here. So let's just call this how to, okay, and it's public, it's visible, so let's just create that. So I'm going to add this one in that playlist, done. Going through, what else have we here? So a bit about, is the video made for kids? So this is about whether it's adult content or generally universally available. So no, it's not made for kids. More options. So if I go on there, various things. The main one here is the tags. So this is things that YouTube will tag this video with when it's published. So if people are doing a search for that tag, they'd find it here. So the things that we probably use for something like this, just something like this, if I put in video, move the next one on, I just put a comma and it creates that tag. How to, comma, tag. So we'll just leave it at that, those two. But it would be the best search terms for the video for whatever you're particularly doing. I don't tend to put either of these two. You can put captions on, you can put subtitles, all that type of thing. What I do though is put in the date of the recording and where it was. So in this case, I'm in sunny Birmingham, as it's sunny today. Let's just enter that there. Standard YouTube category. YouTube invites you to include it in some of the things, some of the channels or some of the categorizations it uses. Nearing the end, so we're already at, there you go, 100%. What it also does is go through and do the process. So you've uploaded it now, it's there. I'm not sure if it's yet shown, but it will be shortly. And there you go, because it's very short. There you go, finish processing. So now you can still make changes, and there you are. You've got in here, I said it'd prompt for this. It'd prompt for the video. So it's giving you these three offers that are excerpts. So choice. Let's go on to next. So video elements. Now what these are promotional things to link to other videos. So the end screen. So at the end of the YouTube video you've got, so from about this point, you can say where it's going to appear. So let's say the last 5 seconds, and you've got these templates. Now what you want is something that's big enough to see, but isn't too obtrusive. So let's go for something that's not too obtrusive. Okay, let's take this one. And what it says then, you've seen it there, it clicks up suggestion of the best video for that particular viewer. Just click that for, okay, hover card outline. It'll suggest the best video for the particular viewer, depending on a range of things. So let's just go best for viewer. Okay, this one, that's for my channel, so the channel I've just set up. So that's the account, whichever the picture is. Subscribe, how to be great. If I just save that, that's set in there. The other part, the add cards, it'll put a small information symbol up there, and you say what you want to put in. So information, promote another channel, put in a poll, promote another channel. Let's find, create that card, just click that. So it gives you that information going through. When people click it, take it in there, okay? So what you can do is vary where that's going to appear. So that's it, all changes saved, return to YouTube Studio. Let's click the next. So now you say when you're going to publish it. You can schedule it for a time. You can make it private, but for me, why wouldn't you want to make your work public? Let's just copy that. So this here copies that link so you can use it elsewhere. Link copy to clipboard. So now click publish, and it's uploading that now. If you've got these accounts linked, said before, you can link them in those settings. It allows you to post that to your Facebook account, as post to Facebook. You can use Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, LinkedIn, a variety of others. You can also email the link, and again you can copy this. So just close that off. Okay, there you are. Lo and behold, that is now live on this channel. So go on there. This is the details for that, the things that we put in before. So again, you can go in and edit those, going through. You've got your tags there. Just come back to it. You can look at analytics. So this is a really useful, powerful tool. it says how many views you get. It gives you an overview, and I'll show you in my main account shortly what that looks like. So now, if I sign out of this account, so bear with me while I go away and just sign up to the real account. Okay, back. So I've now signed in under my own identity here. So you can see there the symbol, rather than being the H for Harry Green, this is, or the symbol of Marcelo Bielsa for my Leads Money and Misery Me channel. So let's go into my channel and show you a real one. So what you've got in here, things like it shows you the full videos. This is the home page, a cut down version of it. Shows you the playlists. Okay, now to show you what I've got, let's just pause this rather than play it. Go to the analytics for that video. So this is one that we've done before. So what you get for each video, so over that period of time you can see how the views have increased, retention of audience, real-time activity the last few weeks, and likes, dislikes. And let's just have a look. So back at the individual channel videos in here, you've got a stack. So you've got on each of these the individual thing. You can have a look at the comments. Let's also look at the dashboard for the channel. So here, the latest video, it's ranked now 2 out of 10 in there. It shows the number of views, how they compare to previous, the increases, number of information in here. You can also go into analytics for the entire channel. So you've got here the last 28 days, the views going through. You can vary this to, let's do the lifetime, so you can see what's happened on this account. So big boost when you first start going through. Early days for me as a YouTube person, but this is, you've got your top videos in that period. Again, you've got the same things, reach, engagement, etc., where things have come from. Mainly LinkedIn. I use my LinkedIn account for a lot of publicity, engagement, audience. You can vary this through to the last 7 days. Take an overview, etc. There's also some interesting, there's advanced mode. You can do a whole series of different reports. I'll let you look through that. You can look at the individual ones. Okay, so I'm not going to go into any of that. So there you go. That's how you upload the video. It's how you set up your channel, how you set up your account, how you publicize it, and the reports that go with it. Thanks for watching this video and any others in this series, this how-to series. Hope you've liked it. Please, if you have, or even if you haven't, please click the like or subscribe to these for future videos. I'm going to be doing some more how-tos over a period of time, but have a look at some of the other channels I've got as well. Thanks very much.